Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with LegalZoom for LLC setup for rental properties step by step clearly. Start by opening your web browser and navigating to LegalZoom's official website. Once the page loads, find the business section in the top menu. Hover over business to reveal a drop-down menu. Click on the LLC option from this menu. You will be directed to a page specifically for LLC formation. Review the information provided on this page to understand the process and benefits. When ready, click on the Get Started button. You will be prompted to create an account if you don't have one. Enter your email address and choose a password. Follow the instructions to verify your account through your email. Once logged in, select the state where you plan to set up your LLC. Fill in the required information about your business, such as its name and purpose. Ensure that your business name complies with your state's LLC naming rules. Next, choose your preferred service package, which may include various features. Review the details of your chosen package and click Continue. You will then be asked to provide information about the members of the LLC. Enter the names, addresses, and roles of each member. If needed, specify whether the members will manage the LLC or if you will appoint a manager. After entering the member details, proceed to answer any additional questions about your business. You may need to provide your registered agent's information. A registered agent is required to receive legal documents on behalf of your LLC. Double-check all the information you have entered to ensure accuracy. Once confirmed, move on to the payment section. Choose your payment method and enter your billing information. After submitting your payment, review your order summary carefully. Click on the Submit button to complete your LLC setup process. You should receive a confirmation email detailing your order and the next steps. Monitor your email for updates regarding your LLC formation. Within a few days, you will receive your official LLC documents from LegalZoom. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.